Can you imagine what she was telling me? How perfect fit for public-private sector during this workshop is calibration of healthcare of care. That's your bringing me.
This particular standard, ISO 7101, is a 2023 standard. It's a new standard specifically for the healthcare systems. We have had other management systems like ISO 9001, which quite a number of the hospitals and healthcare sector has taken up. There are more advantages of this particular management system because it is specifically for the healthcare. The others normally improve the management system within the institutions, but this particular management system is for the healthcare services, and therefore it speaks to what is required to bring the efficiency and operational efficiency within healthcare, as well as to transform what the country is looking at.